Today, I will show you how to order from Alibaba with cash on delivery or pay later. This method is not available for all products, but you can check with the supplier. First, open Alibaba and sign in to your account. Search for the product you want and open its listing. Look for a cash on delivery option. If you do not see it, contact the supplier directly and ask if they can offer pay on delivery for your country. If the supplier agrees, confirm all terms, including delivery, fees, and how payment will be collected. If they do not offer cash on delivery, use Alibaba's trade assurance or online payment methods. These keep your payment safe until you receive the goods. Before confirming the order, check the shipping address, phone number, and total cost. When the package arrives, inspect it carefully before paying. Keep all receipts and communication until the transaction is complete. This is how you can safely order from Alibaba using cash on delivery or a secure alternative.